Welcome to our channel. Today we how to withdraw 529 plan funds for college with Chase. Quick tutorial step by step clearly. To withdraw funds from your 529 plan with Chase, start by logging into your Chase online account. Once logged in, navigate to the Investments section from the main dashboard. In the Investments menu, locate and select the 529 plan option. Click on the account you wish to withdraw funds from. Review your account balance to ensure you have enough funds for your intended withdrawal. Next, look for the option that indicates Withdraw Funds or Disburse Funds. Select that option to begin the withdrawal process. You will be prompted to input the amount you wish to withdraw. Enter the specific amount, making sure it does not exceed your available balance. After entering the amount, you may need to specify the purpose of the withdrawal. Choose the appropriate category that aligns with qualified education expenses. This may include tuition, fees, books, or other eligible costs. Follow the prompts to enter the recipient's information if funds need to be sent directly to the school. Verify that all information is accurate before proceeding. Once verified, confirm your withdrawal request. You should receive a confirmation message indicating that your request has been processed. Keep an eye on your email for further details about the transaction. Monitor your 529 account to verify the withdrawal has been completed. That's how you withdraw 529 plan funds for college with Chase. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. After signing in, review your profile details so your contact information and settings are accurate and current. If you see an error message, note it down and try again after restarting your device and internet connection. Log out when you finish, especially on shared devices, to keep your account and payment information secure. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.